Hello guys, how are you all? This is Prashant. So I welcome you all today's topic. As a last time we discussed the number system in which we converted the decimal to binary. So today we are going to learn the binary to decimal number system. So here the similar I will tell you the two methods. The first method is in front of you. So as you have remembered, we have converted 20 decimal number system to binary number system. Okay, so similarly what we are going to do, we will we will have the binary and we will get the decimal number system with that. So how we will do this? So let's see how we will do this. I think you have remembered this thing. This is the multiple of 2. We have to start from 1, 2, 2 to the 4, to the 8, to the 16 and so on. If you have the number more than 1024, so you can exceed the means you can increase the column just after this. Okay, so now we are going to start with the number system. So I'm going to write down the binary of last we converted at 20. So I'm going to write down the binary for the similar, so it will be better for you to recall the things. In your exam time you will get this type of questions. 10100 means 10100, you will get this type of questions and you have to get the decimal number system. Okay, so how will you get this? To understand this thing, what we have to do, we have to write down the binary from right side to left side, from right side to left side. So I'm going to write down this from right side to left side in the table. So here you can see 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, what I did, 0 0 1 0 1, I wrote these numbers in the table. After this what you have to do, wherever you are getting 1, multiply with this 1. Okay, 16 1 is 16, 4 1 is 4, and rest of the values can be, you can leave them or you can make a 0 0 or 0 and add all these values. You are going to get 20. I think this is clear to you. I hope you are understanding what I mean to say here. I wrote the values from right side to left side. Okay, and after that I multiplied the value. Wherever you are getting 1, you have to multiply the value and write down the value. 16 1 is 16, 8 0 is 0, 1 4 is 4, 2 0 is 0, 1 0 is 0, and after that I add all these numbers, so I got the 20. I think this is clear to you. So here in this method you can see, just now I wrote a one number 1011000. The similar question. Okay, we have converted we have got this number in the previous lecture. So for your better understanding I am taking that numbers only. So we have to write down what in this question what we have to do, we have to write down the things from right side to left side. So insert the values from right side to left side. 0 0 0 1 1 1, add the multiply this value and add 32 to ja. So I'm going to change the marker so it will be clear to you. 32 1 ja 32, 16 1 ja 16, plus 8 1 ja 8, plus 0 0 and 0. Now add these numbers, you are going to get 50, 10 6. So you are going to get 56. You are going to get 56. I think this is clear to you. So here is the number. Here you are going to get 56. So it is the binary of 56. So I am going to take any number randomly. Let's suppose I am taking any number. I am taking 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1. So let's suppose these are the numbers that I have took. 1 0 0 1 1 0 1. Okay, so I want to get the decimal number of this binary. So what will be the, so let's place the values. So as you can see, just now I placed the numbers which are whatever I have written here, 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1. So I place the values. So what I have to do, simply I have to calculate the numbers. It is 128 1 is 128. Wherever you are getting 1, only write down that value. Okay, 32 1 is 32, plus 8 1 is 8, plus 4 1 is 4, plus 1 1 is 1. So 8 to 10, 10 I write 18, 4 22, 23, 3 2, 3 to 5 7 and 1. So I'm getting 173. So my number is 173 on the decimal basis. So you can write down here 173 3. So I think this topic is clear to you. The first method you are getting, and now I am going to tell you the another method. My dear students, here I am going to tell you the second method. So binary, we are converting binary to decimal. So in the second method, what we will do, we will convert, we will get the number. So here we have the second method. As last time we have converted the, we have the second method in which we divided the value by 2's. So here we are going to multiply by 2's. All the values we are going to multiply by the 2's. So here as a question, so here we have the similar values. For your understanding purpose, I am taking the similar number, so it will be the clear for you to understand the things. Okay, so here you can see just now I wrote the value. So what you have to do, you have to write down the values in the such a way to spread the things. Okay, you can opt any method whichever you like mostly, so you can go with that. So after that, what you have to do, you have to write down 2's power 0, 2's power 1, 2's power 2, 2's power 3, 2's to power 4. Okay, you have to write down like this. Now here is the one thing, if you are going to write down a power 0, it becomes 1. If you are going to write down 1 2 3 4 5 and its power 0, so my dear students, the value is 1. Make it sure you have to remember this thing. If any value having power 0, it is going to be the 1. So here 2's power 0 means it is going to be become 1. Here 2 ones are 2. Here we have 2 twos are 4. Here we have 2 twos are 4 twos are 8. Here we have 2 twos are 4 twos are 8 twos are 16. For your better understanding, what I am going to explain these things here. So you can see here, if you are having 2's power 3, so that's mean you have to write down 2 like this and multiply the value. 2 twos are 4 and 4 twos are 8. I think this topic is clear. So here the things are clear to you. 2 twos are 4 twos are 8, 2s are 16, 2 twos are 4 twos are 8, 2 twos are 4 and this. So wherever you are going to get 1, wherever you are going to get 1, multiply the numbers. 16 ones are 16, 4 ones are 4. Okay, only wherever you are getting the 1, multiply the just below value with that. Okay, 16 ones are 16, 4 ones are 4, add these values and you are going to get 20. Okay, I think this is clear to you. So this is the method which you can opt. It was the optional method. You can opt any one of the method. It is your opinion. So I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.